Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad because today we are about to be doing a makeover. Finally, we have not done a makeover in a long time and I'm excited to finally do one. So today we are going to be making over a bedroom for two teenage twins, which should be fun. I'm going to roll time back a little bit and show you guys what the room looked like before we got started, when we had our decor design meeting with them, and then we'll show you where we're starting at today. Y'all know how I go and how we gonna transform it. So yeah, come on. All right, guys, this is Michaela and Mariah. These are actually our little cousins, and this is their room, and they would like us to decorate, design, do something a little bit more with the room. All right, y'all, so this is what the room looks like today. The girls already went ahead and cleared their stuff out for us. Thank you so much. So y'all can see we just have their mattresses. We're going to move out. So the first thing that we started doing was putting together furniture. One of the biggest issues with the room was space, and we always want to maximize the space that we have, especially when it's a very small space. So as you guys saw before, there were actually the twins and their other little cousin in the room. So we have 3 girls that we're trying to fit in this room, and I think the room was somewhere in the ballpark of like 10 by 9. So it's a pretty narrow room. So the best way to do that is to find the furniture that works perfectly. So we found this bunk bed online, and it comes with a trundle. So of course you already know bunk bed saves space, and then the trundle for little Mackenzie can be pulled out when she needs it and put away when she does not. So that is the key. Always find furniture that is going to maximize your space. And here is a quick time-saving tip. Get you a drill bit Allen wrench set. Yes, instead of using the Allen wrenches that come with every piece of furniture that takes forever to turn and screw in, get you some drill bits. So in TV time, I know that was only about a minute or so. We finally got the bed together, but in real life, this took several hours. But we are so happy. I'm so happy with the trundle. You guys always maximize your height in a room, not just the width and length. Now that we went higher with the beds, it opened up so much space. Yeah, we've been struggling all day trying to get these boxes upstairs. Y'all see all these boxes? These stairs kicking out behind. It's all right. It's an exercise. I found a lot of the items for this room makeover online, so be sure to check the description box if you see anything you like. All right, you guys, so we are back for day 2. Yesterday, putting the furniture together, so it took us about 3 and some change hours to put the bed together. And then it took us probably another 2.5 hours to put this dresser together. It was a lot, so we had to take a pause for the cause, which are our backs, because our backs were killing us. And so now we're back this morning and we got all the big stuff in. So today is just pretty much decor, so it's the fun part. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. I got this little light box for the girls. I thought it was really cute. I actually just found it at Ross. It was like $8.99. Look, for the low. But I thought this would be really cute to put on their dresser. So I am going to, let's see it. Oh yeah, it's cute. Oh, I think I need batteries. Oh my gosh. What kind of batteries I need? I think I need batteries.
For what?
For that light box. Oh. We're gonna find batteries, but it's gonna be cute though. So I'm gonna think of a cute saying to put on here, and then we're gonna put it on the dresser. And it comes with all of these, even like little emojis. It's cute, it's cute, it's gonna be so cute. Okay, let's find batteries. So one of the last things that I did was add this light over the mirror. Y'all, this light just really gives the mirror that extra bit of pop. This is also a really good idea for any wall art or wall portraits that you may have that you really want to show off. Proper lighting is a key to making a room look high end. All right, so the room is finally done. I'm going to show it to you guys before we show it to the twins. And yeah, let's go. Y'all, the room is done. I think it looks so good. I really do. Like, it's so cute and it's so like teenage girly. I like it. I like it a lot. So tell me what y'all think. Make sure y'all leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the things that I have here, I'm going to link them below too. The furniture, the rug, the chair, the dresser, all of this we were able to find online. So if you're interested, make sure you check the description box for all of the links. So I'm excited, y'all. So we are waiting for them to get back. They went off real quick and we are going to reveal the room, and hopefully they love it, because I love it. I think it's so cute. Ah!
It's so pretty! Oh, and clean. Oh no. Oh, it's cute. It's not bad. Very clean. Mine.
What do y'all think?
I like it.
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, those are just coasters.
You can't do it.
Huh?
You can't. So what's this for? What's this for?
Okay, so that works. Y'all's fairy light. So you see how they do
Oh.
yeah, see how they flicker differently?
Let's turn twice.
Yeah.
It's light outside.
Yeah, but they got different settings, so they can flicker faster or slower, twinkle.
I like it. Okay, I like this.
Oh, let me show y'all this. So y'all can make it say whatever you want it to say. So here are your letters and everything in here.
Like Makeover's. No.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all like the mirror and the light?
Yes. I like
Yeah, so y'all can get all y'all selfies.
I don't take pictures.
All right, girls.
I really love him a while. Like, it's just so pretty. And, like, it's just gorgeous.
Yeah.
It fits my vision on my head. Go.
Was it really what y'all wanted?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Dresser.
Yeah, I like the dress. I think it looks so good. Okay.
I like it. I like it a lot. Very cute. Better
Yeah.
than my other bedrooms. Much better. Oh, it's
Yeah.
so cute.
I'm glad y'all like it.
Like,
I was telling Tonio. All right. I was telling Tonio that I like doing rooms for kids. I like doing kid rooms better because it's just.
I can put my clothes in here instead of.
Doesn't it feel like so like teenage girly?
I guess just the colors.
Yeah, it's not like little kitty, but it's perfect. I like
Mommy, what are you doing?
it. Your mama don't want to be on camera, y'all. All right. Okay, y'all. Let me cut the camera. Hold on. Let me say bye. Let me. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me for another video. The girls are happy. Their mom does not want to be on camera, so I'm going to cut off the camera so she can come in and take a look. But I thank y'all. Appreciate y'all so much, and I will see you on the next video.